In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple but essential task: how to gracefully shut down your computer using keyboard shortcuts. This method can be particularly useful when you want to shut down your computer efficiently without navigating through several menus. Let's dive into the steps. First, ensure you're at the starting point by going to your desktop. This step is essential because it allows you to access all the necessary functions and ensures nothing is running in the background that might prevent your computer from shutting down properly. Think of it as a clean slate. Next, you're going to press the Windows plus X keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This action opens a special menu that starts directly in the taskbar. You might often use the taskbar to access frequently used apps or monitor running programs, but this step provides a quick access point to perform various system functions without clicking through the Start menu. Now that you have the menu open, press the U key on your keyboard. Notice that this immediately opens the Shutdown or Sign Out options. Here's a little context. Typically, you might manually navigate through several clicks using your mouse to access this option. Why do that when you can streamline the process, right? The next step is straightforward. You'll press the U key once more. This final input action is what commands your computer to shut down. It's as simple as that. 2 quick keystrokes and your computer begins the shutdown process. In this example, I won't press it, but when you do, you'll notice your screen going dark and your computer will safely power down. At this point, you are done. Your computer should begin the process of shutting down, closing all running applications, and powering off. This method is not only fast, but also ensures that you are doing it safely, avoiding any potential loss of work or data by closing programs correctly. Now, wasn't that easy? These few steps allow you to shut down your computer quickly without diving through multiple clicks, saving you time and adding convenience to your routine. Remember, incorporating keyboard shortcuts into your daily computer usage can significantly improve your efficiency. So go ahead and give it a try next time you need to power down and let me know how it goes. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.